Hello, Prevost community. This is Chris from PrevostRVForSale.com, back with another coach to feature today. This time it's for a 1993 Mirage XL, and the owners have completed this amazing custom renovation on it. You can see from some of the interior pictures how bright and open it is now. In just a minute, the seller is going to take you through a full walkthrough, and this is actually from the seller's really cool YouTube channel called Pilot Yellow, which is more of a helicopter-centric channel, but there's also a series of videos outlining the bus renovation and other RV adventures. I'm going to link the channel down in the description, and I'll also include there a full write-up on this coach, as well as the link back to our site where you can see more pictures and contact the seller. Let me know what you guys think about this conversion down in the comments, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more Prevost RVs. But enough of that. Now, with the seller's permission, here is the interior tour for this 1993 Prevost Mirage XL.
First thing you're gonna notice is the hexagon tile stairs as you come up into the driver's area. Created this sort of work surface here, just kind of, you can store things there, you can put a plant there if you want to, or you can just keep it open. The driver's area we spruced up just a little bit. It's nothing too crazy, it doesn't look too fancy, still a lot of the old stuff, but what you're gonna notice right off the bat is just how wide open this is. We kind of opened this all up. Before, they had a lot of cabinetry and things up here, and so we opened this all up, and the guys did an absolutely amazing job at framing in these windows. This is all wood framing that we did on these windows, and they did just an absolute spectacular job. Really happy with the way it turned out. So super exciting how much light it brings into the whole bus. And you're gonna see here how when I turn around, the whole bus has sort of a golden glow to it, which I absolutely love as well. And so you can see just all the light that comes in from the sides. The windows are tinted, so you can't really see in very well from the outside, which is really nice. But yet it gives you this really beautiful sort of view as you come in here. So first thing you're gonna notice, the couches on both sides here. This one's a little bit larger, a little bit wider, and all of them have storage underneath as well. So you can lift up those cushions, and there's a door under there that you can just open up, and then you have nice storage where the boys are keeping all their toys and everything, which is really nice. Super comfy, cozy sort of couches, and they were all custom built as well. So really neat to be able to have those and have that built-in storage there as well. Now, we wanted to keep it nice and wide open in the middle here and not make it too cramped. So instead of having a conventional style table with a bench in the back, we decided to go for more of a bar style table. So we've got the bar stools here, and then just kind of wide open. It's kind of fun because when you're sitting here, you get to sort of see your view out the window, and really kind of a nice place to be able to have your breakfast or lunch or whatever you're doing. So the Marshall speaker there, so no built-in speakers or anything in the bus, but that actually works out really good for kind of this whole space. And we've got the lights on a dimmer switch as well, so you can kind of see, I'll turn them, this is on the dimmer, and then you can brighten them right up. And so really nice to be able to have that ability to change the lighting in the bus and kind of make it more softer lighting in the evenings if you want to, and then brighten it up during the day if you want to, and so forth as well, especially on more of those gray days. Now you're gonna be able to see on the ceiling here, this is all tongue and groove TNG cedar, and we decided to paint it white just to keep the whole bus nice and fresh and kind of bright and airy looking. I love how high the ceilings are in here. So you can see just reaching up now, it actually takes quite a bit to reach up there and get into the ceiling. So we got lots of headroom, which is nice. We installed an air conditioning unit slash heating unit, so it's kind of a heat pump in the front here, and then also another one in the middle of the bus. So that's nice to have on those hot days. We can turn that on as well. Now, something that we absolutely love is kind of the galley, the large style kitchen, and we wanted to keep things as conventional as we could for a house. We wanted to really feel cozy, warm, and as much like a home as possible. And so we've got white oak. Basically everything in the bus that you see that's wood is white oak, and so we've got a hardwood white oak flooring in here, and then custom built cabinetry, again all white oak cabinetry, which is really nice as well. These are all spring loaded doors, and so you can open those up and you can see just storage in all the different spaces here. So really nicely utilized. We decided to go for the double wide sink just because it's really nice to be able to have that extra space when you're doing your dishes. You can keep things down in here, and then also when you're traveling, you can put things in here, just stuff that's sitting on the counter, breakables and so forth. You're gonna be able to put those in there while you're moving around, so that's really nice then as well. We decided to do a built-in fridge, just again to keep it kind of minimalistic and clean and simple. So fridge and freezer there, and a decent size, nothing too big, but definitely a decent size. So nice to have that. And then we've got the cooktop, convection cooktop, which is nice with the boys as well, because when you're done cooking, you can basically touch it and you're not gonna be burning your hands or anything, which is nice. And then the wall oven there as well. Now, this is a big feature and something that we just absolutely have fallen in love with. This was a bit of a vision when we decided to build the bus, that we wanted to build really cozy bunk beds for the boys. Obviously, we needed a place for them to be able to sleep. And so this was sort of a centerpiece to the whole bus. And we're just absolutely delighted in the way that it turned out. Really nice with all hardwood, white oak as well. Built-in ladder just to keep it super low profile. And really, really cozy. We got Endy mattresses in here. These are full-size twins. And so really nice to be able to have a really comfy, cozy sort of mattress in here. And then also linen sheets. So just really cozy sheets, and the boys just absolutely love it. We've got a little nook in the back there where they can have books and stuff stored and so forth. And then these really cool little reading lights that Amy actually got off of Etsy from Greece, and really amazing. They're made out of copper and glass, and they're kind of a ship light, so it gives you a little bit of a nautical sort of feel, especially with the ceiling in there as well and stuff. So there's a pantry here at the end of the kitchen, be able to store all your things for that. This is all our systems up here, so we can see what we're doing for the generator, if the generator's on, shore power, and what our batteries are at and so forth. If you guys will remember, when we built the bus, we have 8 solar panels up on the roof. And so really cool to have that. And this is for all the heating and cooling and so forth up there. So then we move into the bathroom. We've got pocket doors. So there's one pocket door here into the bathroom. And we've got a vessel sink up here with a little bit of storage there. And the toilet, conventional kind of RV style toilet. And then kind of this fun light up top here as well, which is pretty cool. Then we've got a full-size stacker washer dryer, which is so nice to have. Just nothing like being able to throw in some laundry whenever you need to. And this is a very compact and kind of nice looking washer dryer, so we decided to leave it open just so we're not building a big cabinet around it, and nice to have that. This is a linen closet here, and so we were able to store basically all our conventional things for a bathroom, toothbrushes and all the supplies and so forth, and then towels and extra blankets and things like that in there. Laundry hamper down there, and then full size really nice walk-in shower. So we decided to make it a really good large size shower, and then we've got tile in there as well, and this turned out just really nice. We've got a locking handle here so that when we're driving, the door is not going to be swinging open and shut or anything like that. So these are super fun. If you guys follow Becky and Chris, they have a channel that's flying helicopters as well as home decor and different things like that. They started selling these coat hangers, and so we got a couple of them and we absolutely love them. Really well designed, really well done, and really nice for this space to be able to hang our towels there and stuff as well. So then we move into the master bedroom, and again, this is kind of another feature that we really wanted to hone in on and make super cozy, comfortable. We've got another set of similar style lights, kind of that nautical feel, that Amy got off of Etsy from Greece as well. And back in there is kind of a main closet area, so there's a door on both sides you can open up, and that's where we have all our hanging clothes. So lots of storage back in there. Also, this bed lifts up, And so you're able to bring this up. It's on a couple little gas struts, and so you can bring that up, and then there's tons of storage under the bed as well. This is, yes, you guys, this is a full king-size mattress. We didn't want to compromise on that. We wanted to make sure that we had all the space that we, all the luxuries that we would normally have in our house, that we're not really compromising on any of that. And so we decided to put in a full king-size bed, which we're really, really happy that we did. That was a great choice. Little bedside tables on either side, just to be able to store our books and things like that. And then over there is another another clothes closet where we keep the rest of our clothes folded and stuff. And the bottom couple drawers there for all the boys' clothes, so they're able to have that as well. And then over on the other side of the room, this was kind of a built-in feature that we decided we're going to have, just because I wanted to have an office in the bus where I can do meetings and things like that. And so this is the office. I know it looks tiny, but it actually serves a great purpose. That's a walnut tabletop there for the office, and then yeah, got all the space we need. Got a chair in there to be able to hang out and work, and then the printer up top in that little closet there. So